Hello students, good afternoon all. Today we are going to learn our next lesson number 7, letters on a tab and computer keyboard. Now students, here you can see a computer. I hope you all know the computer, how it is. We have learned the computer parts. There are four main parts of computer like monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Very good. So four parts are very basic parts of computer. Without these four parts computer will not access. So we have to attach these four parts to the computer. Okay, and here you can see a keyboard and monitor only, but you can see CPU and mouse if you have the computer, and if you don't have the computer, so find the pictures of computer and you can see the four basic parts of computer. Okay, now students, here you can see a keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. So whatever we have to give some command to the computer, we give the command with the help of this keyboard. So keyboard is very useful thing to do our work on computer. Whenever we are starting our computer, we can start the monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU as well as. Okay, so students, here you can see the keyboard. On the keyboard you can see some numbers are there, 1 to 0, and with the help of these numbers we can type any kind of number. And here you can see on the keyboard there are letters alphabetically, A to Z letters are there, and they are not in sequence. In the first row you can see Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. In the next line you can see A, S, D, F, G, H, C, K, L, and in the last line you can see Z, X, C, V, B, N and M. So students, here are 26 alphabets, but that are not in sequence. Any kind of computer, whenever you are taking, there are letters like this only. On the laptop also we can see the letters like this only. Okay, so it will be not in the sequence. So we have to type like this alphabetically letters. So whenever we are typing something, we can use our 10 fingers to type these letters, and we have to make command on the computer while typing anything. So next you can see the commands of F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. These are the shortcut keys. These are the keys of helping to operate computer. And some arrows are there, up, down, right and left. So whenever we have to move something, so we can move on that with the help of that arrows also. There is a long key that is called space bar, so we can give the space with that space bar. You can see the caps lock. It means whenever you have to write capital letters, you have to on the caps lock, and whenever you have to write the small letters, you have to off that caps lock button. Shift, control, backspace, enter, various buttons were there, and these buttons are called keys. These all buttons are called keys. That's why this is a keyboard, because there are lot of keys. Okay, so these buttons are called keys. And here are some numbers again. we have to on that num lock, and then we can use this number keys also. Okay, here you can see some symbols also: full stop, comma, question mark, slash, invited comma, double invited comma, dash, is equal to, plus, minus, star. All the symbols are also included in that keyboard. So whatever we have to write on the computer, we can write this all the material with these keys only, with the help of these keys only. So students, and whatever we have typing on the keyboard, we can see on the monitor screen. Monitor screen is very important because whatever we are giving the input and whatever we are getting the output, we can get that input and output on the monitor screen only. So students, whatever we are operating the computer, this is the main part of the computer, that is monitor. Without monitor we cannot see anything, we cannot get any output or input also. So students, here you have some activities. Type the following sentence on your parent's mobile or computer. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Now students, like this keyboard is included in on your mobile also. On the mobile also you can see like this keyboard only, but the symbols and numbers are in next. You can see there 1 2 3. If you type that button, then you get the numbers and symbols also. So if you don't have computer, you can take your parents' mobile and you can type this line. But actually I am going to tell you, don't type this line, type myself, what that I have taught you myself, like my name is Raja, I'm studying in 2nd standard, my school name is Sarhat School. Like this you can type on your parents' mobile and save that myself on your parents' mobile. Okay, so this is your today's activity students. You have to type myself on the mobile phone or computer. Okay, and if you have computer, printer, all the things, you can take the print of your typing material also. And if you don't have, so don't worry, it is just activity. You can type on your parents' mobile also and you can save that file. Okay students, now for that you have to remember where is the letters are, because the letters are not in sequence. Okay, so while typing you should see the letters very properly on the keyboard and then you should write. Okay, you should type. And you can draw the picture of computer also. You can take your English notebook, write CW on the top of the page, then write lesson number 7, letters on the tab and computer keyboard. On the page you can draw picture of computer, but while drawing the picture of computer, just add 2 more parts in it, mouse and CPU. It is very easy. If you can draw, just try to draw the picture of computer. Okay students, so you have 2 activities of this lesson. So while writing myself on the computer or the mobile phone, write your name, write your school name, write your standard properly without any spelling mistake. And if you made a mistake, you can rub that on mobile phone also. You can use backspace on the mobile phone's key also. There is a backspace key on the mobile phone also. So you can use that backspace, and if you want to give space, you can press that long space bar also. You can use the symbols like full stop, comma. Okay, now you have to use all the things in your myself composition. Okay, and you can use the numbers for your sentences, like first sentence my name is, then write number 2, it means two, second sentence. So that like that you can use the number buttons also in it. So you have to do these both activities today, and I hope you will be fun with the help of these activities. I know you like to operate your parents' mobile phone, or if you have the computer, so you are always ready to use the computer also. And you can type all the things on your mobile phone. You can type your question and answers, you can type words, you can type sentences which you have made. Okay, so like that you can save your files also, and whatever teacher is giving you CW, HW, you can if you have time, so you can type it on mobile also, and you can store it on your phone also, and whenever you have to do revision of that, so you can use that phone also. And it is very easy to use, and it is very easy to store. And the main part of computer is the CPU is the main thing of the computer, because whatever we are giving input or output, that stores in CPU only. So CPU is the brain of the computer. Like our brain is always give input or output to us, like that the computer CPU is giving input or output to the all parts of computer. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी मैं आपको एक बार हिंदी में बताती हूँ और हम यहाँ पे स्टॉप करेंगे अपना लेसन. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे एक कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन है, कंप्यूटर का कीबोर्ड है जिसके ऊपर लेटर्स लिखे हुए हैं A to Z, एंड वो सीक्वेंस में नहीं है, वो कैसे भी लिखे हुए हैं. और ऐसा ही कीबोर्ड जो होता है वो अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन पे भी होता है, जहाँ पे हम कुछ भी टाइप करते हैं वहाँ पे भी सेम ऐसे ही कीबोर्ड की सिस्टम की जाती है. और इसी कीबोर्ड के सिस्टम में हमें नंबर्स मिलते हैं, कुछ सिंबल्स मिलते हैं, फुल स्टॉप, कॉमा, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, लाइक दैट सिंबल्स भी हमें मिलते हैं, प्लस माइनस के सिंबल्स मिलते हैं, एरो कीज़ मिलती है, और ये कीबोर्ड के बटन्स को बोला जाता है कीज़. सो दैट्स वाई इस कीबोर्ड का नाम है कीबोर्ड, बिकॉज इस कीबोर्ड पे बहुत सारे कीज़ होते हैं जो बहुत यूज़फुल होते हैं हमें इनपुट, कंप्यूटर को इनपुट देने के लिए. यहाँ पे कैप्स लॉक बटन है, उसके मदद से हम अल्फ़ाबेट जो है वो कैपिटल और स्मॉल कर सकते हैं. जब हम कैप्स लॉक ऑन करते हैं तब हम कैपिटल लेटर में टाइपिंग कर सकते हैं, जब हम कैप्स लॉक ऑफ करते हैं तब हम स्मॉल लेटर्स में टाइपिंग करते हैं. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लेटर्स हैं, यू कैन सी. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव कंप्यूटर, आपके पास अगर कंप्यूटर नहीं है तो आप अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन पे माई सेल्फ का जो कंपोजिशन मैंने सिखाया हुआ है वो अपने बारे में आपको लिखना है और वो स्टोर करना है. ठीक है, और आपको ये 1 to 10 नंबर्स भी यूज़ करने हैं उसके लिए, और ये नंबर्स यूज़ करते हुए आपको अपने सेंटेंस के लिए नंबर्स हेडिंग देने हैं और ये स्टोर करना है. ठीक है, और ऐसे ही आपको इंग्लिश के नोटबुक में ऊपर CW लिख के, आज की डेट डाल के, लेसन नंबर 7 लिख के एक कंप्यूटर का अच्छे सा ड्राइंग बनाना है. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ 4 पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो कंप्यूटर आपको 4 पार्ट्स बनाने हैं कंप्यूटर के ड्राइंग में: मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड, माउस एंड CPU. माउस, CPU एंड मॉनिटर ये बहुत आसान होते हैं निकालने के लिए. कीबोर्ड में आपको सारे के सारे कीज़ नहीं डालेंगे तभी भी चलेगा, सिर्फ आप एक रेक्टेंगल बनाओ और सिर्फ ब्लॉक्स बनाओ तभी भी चलेगा. सारे कीज़ आनी चाहिए, परफेक्टली आनी चाहिए, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको पता चले कि उसके ऊपर कीज़ होते हैं, इसके लिए आपको ये कीबोर्ड बनाना है. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस कंप्यूटर पिक्चर ऑन योर CW पेज, and you have to type myself on mobile phone or computer. Okay, whatever you have you can use that, and you have to type myself on it. Okay, so students, I hope you understood this lesson. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, bye bye and take care.